Hey guys, welcome back. A different setup? Well, we are getting the budgets high. So today we are going to be addressing one question that I'm getting way too many times. That is, will AI take my job as a business analyst? So I understand how the fear might come of, hey, if I take a role as a business analyst, will AI just take my job? Will AI do most of the responsibilities that would lie on me and then I'll be replaceable? Spoiler alert, it won't. So now that we know the end game of what is going to happen, let us dive deep into how. But if you're new here, hi, I'm Manav Bahel. I've worked as a business analyst for almost 2 years, so I believe the information that I have might be something that I can share, preach, and also help you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get started. So let's be real here. AI is great at almost everything. It's good with numbers and it's even better at telling you what to order for lunch today. It's the reality. But there is one thing that AI cannot master just yet, and I believe won't be able to master for a long time, is understanding people. When you're using AI to draft content or like write emails, you always see how the language is very glamorous. You need to always give a undertone of, hey, please be professional, please keep it formal, make sure that the text is much more of human like rather than a robotic conversation or an automated message generation. So that kind of understanding is far long away for AI to understand, and which is why understanding people as a skill will always stay on top for business analysts. And trust me, no amount of machine learning is going to be able to decode a client who changes his mind 20-30 times a day. So don't worry, you're safe. Secondly, no amount of job interviews are ever cleared by using buzzwords, because buzzwords only get you into a well where you're going to be asked more questions about, hey, you said you know machine learning. Tell me, what is machine learning according to you? You told me that you're interested in generative AI. Okay, what is generative AI? So all of these buzzwords usually get us in trouble, and AI uses buzzwords. And while you are working as a business analyst, you're going to be untangling a lot of these conversations which are so ambiguous. It's like we want a solution which is faster, cheaper, scalable. These are all words. So the ability to sit down with a customer and to understand the needs for what exactly are they looking to solve for and where are the tweaks that you can make is something that comes as an understanding of a business analyst. And that is how your job still remains safe. And don't forget the art of negotiations. Do you ever imagine AI to be able to negotiate on your behalf? Like, hey, we cannot make 500k deals happen, so what's the best that you can give? And AI is just going to use the same match to say, hey, it's not 500k, it's actually $510. I'm like, hey, come on. So the art of negotiation is always something that lies with the humans. And as a business analyst, you understand the perfect part where you can tweak, make some changes, maybe reduce a few resources, which can still get the job done and also provide a good price for the customer. Also, if you're running late on deadlines, AI doesn't know that Mark from the legal team loves ice creams. Well, so you'll get the work done faster and meet the deadlines. A very important part of being a business analyst is to understand why a business is making a certain decision. To understand what is the history, what is the problem that they were facing for a very long time that they have now decided that they want to put in some money to get the work done or to solve this problem at last and not have to deal with it again. So AI might not be the ideal way to understand the context of what's happening. AI might give you amazing solutions. It might give you stepwise approaches. But understanding the context and then giving the perfect prompt, designing what we are really trying to solve for and what aspects of customization is required still lies in the hands of the business analyst. I think that's like 0.3 for business analyst and 0 for AI. Plus, creativity is something that is a huge part of being a business analyst. Whether it's you're designing a process, whether you're making presentations, whether you're just thinking of a new strategy to approach the same problem. Well, AI doesn't know how to think outside the box. Heck, I would say AI doesn't even know what is a box. So don't worry. As long as you have your thinking caps on, you're safe. But we don't need to disregard the fact that AI is a fantastic tool for BAs. It's going to help you with massive data sets to understand numbers and also give you creative ideas that you might have missed out on. So let's always remember that it is just a tool. But the real magic happens when you, as a business analyst, will use it the most effectively. So, will AI be able to take the job of a business analyst? Well, I don't think so. Our ability to understand people is going to keep us far away from being replaced, at least for now. What do you think about that? Drop your insights in the comments down below and let's talk soon.